Quincy and Michelle moved into this house with their oldest son and had 2 more sons in their time here.
My favorite part of this house, actually, is the proximity to the lake and also the paved trails that are along the way.
We bought the house 17 years ago, and at the time, it was a much quieter neighborhood.
So look at the curb appeal.
It's a lovely large porch that you can spend the entire time looking at a new roundabout with buses and trucks right over there. Now let's show you inside the house and everything that's wrong with it.
Oh, there's a lot to like.
How about we start with the extremely small foyer?
Quaint. One way of looking at it, quaint. Okay, we got the nice oak staircase here. The grain shows quite beautifully.
Let's take a look at the would-be dining room. Look at these great columns. I think we're visiting Rome. Look at the fireplace. It hasn't worked for us in years. And this nook for a TV, barely functional. Look at the toys.
Well, the good thing is there's a space to play, a space to romp around.
There's no space for us. There is not a lot of prep space in the kitchen, and there's no island, there's no pantry. Look at the spices on the counter because we have nowhere to put them. We have a laundry room / mudroom, but it is a mess.
You kind of see the whole thing. You've got it.
You do.
One moment of walking into this house. There is your kitchen straight ahead of you.
Look at this room. This is a bizarre room. It's an office, I guess.
I guess.
And
it's
drop
not
zone.
Connected, so it's not meant to be a dining room. Oh dear.
It's not a bad size, really. I mean...
They've got the usual issue of too many toys, all on the main floor.
So...
Can you see that far? How many fingers am I holding up?
3.
Ooh.
I can see that far.
But the natural light right here is very nice.
Who cares about the natural light? You can barely see the TV.
I care about the natural light. Little dining area.
It's not terrible. See, this kitchen's not a bad size.
Oh, stop it.
I'm being honest.
Oh, there's a finished basement. This is going to be my salvation. They've just moved in.
I think so.
Or they're in the process of moving out.
Good for me. All right. Kids' bedrooms.
Ta-da! Oh.
I mean, look at the size of this place.
Look at all the clothes in those plastic bins.
Look around. The bedroom itself has enough space. Bathroom. It's got a walk-in shower. It's got a big tub.
If I could gut it, it could be quite decent. It's got space.
It does have space. I've done an evaluation on your home, and the current value is $900,000. All right? So, what is the must-have list to get you out of this house and into the new one?
4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, and that's including a powder room, a modern open concept main floor, a large eat-in kitchen, office space, large backyard, a finished basement.
Okay. Anything else?
South of this area,
You know, what would you say your parameters are in minutes, let's just say?
10 minutes in either direction, I would say would be the parameters.
What is the budget for the new house?
The budget is $1.2 million.
All right, listen, I think a new house makes sense, and I think it's going to deliver the kind of open concept on the main floor that you want. That's, I think, is almost impossible to get here. Let's see what we can come up with.
Let's hear your must-have list for me to convince you that this is the house that you want to stay in.
Well, we start with renovating the kitchen, adding more storage and an island. I'd love a sitting room because I need an adult space. Renovate the laundry and the mudroom. Renovate the principal bathroom, create a better walk-in closet, and add new flooring throughout the entire house.
Hilary meets with brothers Mike and Matt to go over her design plan.
The plan right now, new cabinetry throughout, uppers and lowers. We're going to wrap all the way from the stove over here to the sink and the fridge right here. And I want to continue where this window will be removed for some sort of pantry or storage. But to keep some light, we'll add a vertical transom and a new sliding door will go here. Some sort of an island will add loads of counter space. We've got $150,000. We're ready to go once I get the news from you on moving the toilet?
Yep.
All right, thank you.
The house itself, 5 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, semi-open concept main floor, finished basement, got an office space for her. It's got a den and a special feature in the backyard. See what happens. Come on in.
Not a bad start.
Looks pretty good so far.
You know, if I had a sign that I could put on the wall that said Michelle's Domain, that's what I would put.
I really do like it. This is what I was thinking. The high ceilings are great. I mean, that looks more like the kitchen table than the dining room. I'm a bit confused with the kitchen.
Two different.
I'm underwhelmed.
The bungalow that I found, they are going to absolutely love. 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, a beautiful open concept main floor with an incredible kitchen and a walkout to a great backyard and a better mudroom and laundry situation.
Wow.
Huh?
Oh, I must say to you, David, it's pretty impressive.
This is gonna be your youngest son's room. Bedroom number 1. The positive is right here. This is your son's bathroom.
Oh, beautiful. That's gorgeous.
This is.
Let's keep going. It gets actually better. Because I know you love yourself a mudroom.
Thank you. Oh, oh my goodness. This is flawless.
I must say.
Wow.
Really nice.
Okay, gorgeous.
So you've got your formal dining rooms in there.
Oh my goodness.
Then you have the eat-in kitchen, family room combination.
Oh boy.
You've got this incredible island.
This is really lovely. This is spectacular.
Okay, backyard. Right this way. The backyard. I mean, as you can
my
see,
God.
low maintenance. You've got
Oh, my
beautiful
goodness.
trees all around.
This is a winner.
Yeah, this is nice. This is impressive.
If your son was here and he saw where his bedroom was gonna be, he would flip. Look at this.
Ooh. Remember I was saying to you, David, I want a basement where you don't feel like you're in a basement?
Yeah.
This is it.
Wow.
Yeah. Isn't this cool too?
It's really beautiful.
Nice space.
It is spectacular. That's the word of today, I think.
What do you think this house is listed at?
I would say $900,000.
I think this house is more like $1.2 million.
This house is listed at $1.2 million.
Work is underway as the kitchen is demolished and the floors are prepped for new boards. The kitchen reno continues as new cabinetry is installed.
And this house, open concept, eat-in kitchen. Upstairs, great bedrooms for the kids. A beautiful principal bedroom. That huge walk-in closet, beautiful bathroom, finished basement with walk out to the backyard. I know they love the bungalow, but this is a good opportunity too.
It's okay.
Just okay? Just okay?
It's okay.
Remember, we're in your neighborhood, closer to the lake.
We are in the neighborhood.
On a quieter street.
That is good. First reaction's just okay.
Let's keep going. So you have your kitchen, your dining room, your family room, and your breakfast area.
So all in one.
All in one.
It's okay. It doesn't compare at all to the bungalow.
No, it doesn't. But you know, one of the things you wanted to be was you wanted to be closer to the lake,
Yes.
closer to your neighborhood.
Yes. I don't necessarily think it's the house for us.
Yeah, I don't think so either. Good
Hi, Hilary.
Good morning.
Morning.
I'm great. How are you?
Wonderful.
Beautiful.
Thank you. So are you.
All right, so it's been a long wait and it's been worth every minute. You ready to go and take a look?
Ready?
Absolutely.
Let's go.
We're ready.
Oh my gosh.
Look at this.
Wow.
Talk about a transformation.
Wow.
You have brand new floors.
Yes.
You have a brand new staircase.
Yes.
You have an entry that is actually an entry.
That's
You have
pretty shocking, that one.
an instantly beautiful house.
Oh my goodness.
And now we're
Wow.
going to go and look at what we've done. You ready?
Yes, yeah.
So now we're going to go into a living room that actually is going to work for you.
Oh my
Will
gosh.
this ever work?
This is beautiful.
Beautiful
Look
lighting.
at the fireplace as well as standout.
It has this beautiful surround. It is making a statement just on its own.
Honestly, I'm shocked. I'm taking it in. I just can't believe what you've
Look.
done with the space. It looks
Amazing.
it
An
looks
amazing
beautiful.
transformation.
Yeah,
Like, I mean,
it's-
wow.
This is a great start.
All right, let's go on into the kitchen.
Oh my
Sconces against the
gosh. I love the light.
Yes, yes. Indeed.
Oh, the table. Marble. It's beautiful.
You've got exactly what you wanted here.
Yes.
This is on point,
It
right?
is,
Yeah,
it's
look at that.
beautiful. The banquette is exactly what we wanted. And yes, Quincy definitely needed the window, and it looks gorgeous.
Let's move on to your kitchen.
Oh,
Nice.
beautiful. And it's not cramped like I thought
no, it's not
maybe.
cramped at all.
And I heard,
No.
you know, the idea of the island. I thought it'd be good for space, but I thought it would be too tight.
Yeah,
but it's not. It's
intrusive.
really perfect.
Turn left. Look at this.
Oh.
So as you've noticed, you've got these upper cabinets, you've got the drawers in here, and then you've got more storage,
God.
more storage.
Look at this. It really is night and day to what we had, and it looks beautiful.
Let's go into the laundry room.
Oh boy.
Turn right. And
Oh my
a
God.
stackable washer and dryer.
Whoa!
Look at that.
Backsplash, wallpaper,
See?
tile. What are we looking? What are we looking at?
You've got everything here.
This is beautiful.
There's storage everywhere. It looks sleek.
Ta-da!
Oh,
Organization, right?
Closet organizer.
Organized, right? This is really nice.
Yeah, it's great.
All right, so you do remember the powder room?
Aye.
Oh.
Gold. Trim. Look at the wallpaper, eh?
Oh my. Yeah, this is very nice.
Okay, good.
Wow.
Lovely.
All right, so we're doing well, I think, so
Okay,
far.
yeah,
Let's
we're
keep
doing
going.
well.
Giving you privacy with this door was a challenge, as you know, and I just asked you to trust me,
Yes.
and you did,
Yes.
and this is what we have.
Okay.
So I hope you like it.
Oh, can't wait to see it. I'm sure we will.
All right, let's go.
Oh. Aha. It's beautiful. This used to be a terrible, horrible looking dining room.
Table.
Oh my
You
gosh.
had a table here covered with kids' stuff.
Yes.
Yes.
This is like a small oasis. I love this lighting.
Wow. This is beautiful.
Ooh.
So the door is what I was describing to you, that you wouldn't see the hinges, you wouldn't see anything. You would have the benefit, the same benefit as you would with a pocket door. So you're okay with that, right?
I wouldn't have been able to envision it. I've never seen anything like that before, but it is sleek.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Good solution,
Yeah.
right? We're not done yet. We still need to go upstairs.
Oh my gosh.
All right, here we go.
Hey, the floor, eh?
Woo! Well, the floor certainly is breathtaking.
Absolutely.
Oh, and the tiles. My word. It's lovely.
Good. All right, now,
Is this where we
No
once called our
way.
bedroom?
Oh, geez, there's just simply no way.
An accent wall as well, like wow.
Like, oh my gosh.
all right, let's talk about really important functional
Okay, whoa.
things in here. Like the bathroom?
Oh.
Maybe?
Yes.
Yeah, we were caught up
Think
on
we
this.
should kind of take a look at that?
Yes, let's take a
Okay,
look
let's
at
do
that.
Look at this.
Closet.
Oh no. Flipping way.
This is beautiful.
Oh my gosh. Seriously, Hilary, this is outstanding.
You've got an organizer.
This is
This is
seriously so well put together, so organized. This is perfect.
The pre-renovation value of this home was $900,000. With a final renovation budget of $150,000, the new estimated value of this home is $1,150,000.
Decision has been made.
Yes.
And are you going to love it?
Or are you going to list it?
We are going to love
it.
Yes.
Oh, it's okay. Oh.